Alright folks, I know I hadn't posted a video here a week or two or more, but anyway, you have to settle for an iPhone video again tonight. But I am in the grain truck here again. It is November the 16th, and I have my last load of beans, finally. I don't even have a full load. I've got a little over half the load in the trailer, and I am setting in line here. I hauled a load last night, and then a couple of nights before that I hauled a load down here, and it was no line at all. Went right in and out and back on my way home. But I got some pretty good rain forecasted coming in, starting probably tomorrow evening. So it looks like a lot of the guys are hitting it pretty hard, trying to beat this next rain, getting beans in. So that has caused a little bit of a backup here tonight. But I figure several are wrapping up as we are. I finished planting the wheat last night about 8 o'clock, so wheat planting is done. But we didn't finish the beans till today. Had a little bit of issue with the combine today. Thought fuel filter had stopped up on it. It was actually a screen in the little water fuel separator bowl area that was causing the issue. But other than that, the F2 remained running. There's a little duct tape baling wire here and there to guide us, to get us done. We've got some things to fix before we start picking wheat next year. But for right now, yeah, we're gonna wrap it up and be pretty much done for the year. I know I'm looking forward to being able to rest at night more regularly. Yeah, I know my uncle is too. I've still got a lot of hay in the fields. I'll probably start moving that out here next. But as far as the farm goes, things will start to slow down a little bit here finally. Move up here. But anyway, yeah, I don't know how much rain we're gonna get this week. I've started delivering hay again. I delivered a pretty good load Saturday morning. Got that guy taken care of, but I've still got another load to wrap up delivery for another guy. And then I've got another customer getting about 3 loads, so I'll start looking at getting that done this weekend. Maybe get some of that wrapped up here before Thanksgiving week. But yeah, I pulled that load the other day with the Dodge. I went ahead and, since it was pulling the other load so good that I've hauled with it, I went ahead and put 18 rolls on my gooseneck, which is the most I can get on it in one load, and pulled those with the Dodge. It was about 45-minute haul out and back, and it did fine. So far I'm fairly pleased with how the Dodge, or the Ram Cummins, is working out for me. I have got a minor issue that I've got to look into, where I had an exhaust leak getting into fresh air vents at a stop, like at a stoplight or something, when it was going through a regen. I did do some research on that. Seems to be a common issue, and it appears to involve the clamps, band clamps. There's about 6 band clamps, 3 at the turbo and 3 at the EGR. I have not had time to get under there and wrench on those yet to see if they're loose, but I get a good dry day and I ain't got anything else pressing. I'm gonna check that out. I'll try to get y'all video of the Ram. I know a few of you seemed interested in it. I know there's probably hundreds, thousands of videos on those trucks out there, but anyway, I'll try to go around it and do a quick highlight review and tell you what I like, don't like on it. Yeah, I covered I had the seed drill in the shed a while ago. I covered it up with a tarp because hopefully this rain is going to hold off till about midday tomorrow, so that'll give my uncle time to move the combine back into the shed there. So I pulled the seed drill back out a while ago, got it tarped and pretty much ready for winter storage. Yeah, I'll be returning this truck and trailer to the shed this evening. I've got it opened up to pull it right on through when I get back from hauling this load. So that's that. 175 acres in the books. I still don't have all my numbers done up yet. Pretty close. I'll try to give y'all what a overall average yield was. The 60 bushels to the acre field was still our highest. We had some 50s, we had some mid 40s, we've had a few 30s, and we had a field or two that was right at 30, 29 bushel acres, somewhere in there. They didn't do too good, but it is what it is. I also talked in earlier videos back in the spring when we were planting about the 5-2 bean we planted as a late bean behind the wheat. I'll try to let you know how those did. I do know they have so far done better than any late bean we've had previously, so that seemed to work out well for us, other than the fact that they were short beans and they were a little hard to pick in amongst the leftover wheat straw. My uncle wasn't too happy about that, but they were short, but they were loaded with pods, so it was just one of those things. So that'll be a factor I have to weigh in going into next year. But yeah, that's the status right now. I'm just sitting in line here waiting my turn. It's around 10 o'clock or after, but that's that. Soybean harvest for 2015 is done. After this load is dropped here shortly, and wheat is in the ground. The first wheat I planted is up. Unfortunately, some large areas of that field drowned it out. I was trying to beat the rain to get it in the ground. Where it didn't drown out, I got a pretty good stand, but the last half I just finished planting yesterday. We'll see how it, hopefully we get a good stand on that. It won't be too bad, but we'll see. But anywho, thank you guys for watching, and I will post up some more updates, maybe a review on the Ram 2500 in the comments, and anything else I can think of here before long. I know I hadn't touched base on the spray rig. Nobody's really shown much interest in it, but I've got it winterized already and in the shed. I might do a review of what I thought of it, since I've used it for a season now. And some different things. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Please comment, rate, subscribe, whatever you want to do, and we will see y'all later. Thanks.